Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here, bringing you another original design. This is the Triumphant Wreath. Let's go ahead and get started. Left side's at the belt line as usual. I'm using a knit tie, but it doesn't really matter. I'm going to come over here, bring the center over, just put in a fold, bring the skinny end over. We're going to come up and over like this. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my wreath here like this, and then I'm just going to come right back up here like this. So we have that. So then I'm going to do a wreath right here. And I'm going to go underneath and then up through top like this. Then I'm going to come do another wreath. We're going to come down like so. Another wreath. I'm going to bring it right here to where this is on the outside of this. Right here. So we have this. So far we got that. So then I've got this little extra remaining. So what I'm then going to do is I'm just going to have it folded in half. Just leave it folded in half like this. I'm just going to come up and over like so. Then there you have that. And then it should just arc right there. If you have any left that kind of comes out to here, just wrap it around there. So own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. See the picture of this knot on Instagram, Simmonsessentials. Peace and God bless.